Can you buy a Tangerine Bank GIC directly through the mobile app? Yes, you absolutely can. Managing and purchasing guaranteed investment certificates directly from a mobile device or a computer is fully supported by Tangerine Bank. For existing clients, the process within the mobile app is straightforward. First, log into your Tangerine mobile banking app. Once you are on your main account overview screen, tap on the account section. From there, scroll down until you find the Explore Products or Open an Account area, and select GICs or Guaranteed Investment. You will be presented with a list of available terms, structures, and current interest rates, ranging from short-term options to multi-year commitments, as well as registered variations like TFSAs or RSPs. Select the specific GIC term and account type that best fit your personal saving strategy. The app will then prompt you to choose how you want to fund the purchase. You can pull the funds directly from an existing Tangerine savings or checking account, or link and transfer money from an external bank account. Review the details, confirm the transaction, and your GIC is officially set up without ever needing to step foot inside a physical branch or make a phone call. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.